How to play Spotify through your mic in 2025. So if you want to play Spotify through your mic, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify application, you just need simply go with the upper middle, which has your profile icon. Just simply go with your profile. Once you click on your profile, you will have your settings. You need to go with your settings. Now, under settings, if you scroll down, then you will find your library, and under that, you will have show local files. So make sure that your show local files is turned on. Once you've done that, you just need to simply open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for voice meter with a double E. And after searching, you'll have this kind of interface. Go with the first search, which will take you to this one, which is VB Audio Software. Now here you need to scroll down and you'll have a download option. You just need to simply click on download, and it's a zip package or a zip file, so it won't take much to download. So just simply go and download. Once it's downloaded, you just need simply go with your apps and search for the application, which is VB Audio. So once you've searched, you will have the application. You can open up the application. After opening, you can set the output as Spotify and then select your analog to mic in. After selecting it, you can open up your Spotify and then just run through your Spotify, and it will play Spotify through your mic. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.